Ladies and gentlemen, my next guest, he's a beautiful young man. He's very talented. He's incredible. He's sweet. He's sour. He's all of the above. Very talented musical artist doing a very special set of covers today. Lil Yachty!
I was threatened into this. He literally put a knife to me.
Play the music!
See if I can remember the... Actually, wait. I have lyrics. Okay.
I don't know what I'm going to say, I'll say it anyway. Today's another day to find you, shine away. I'll become for your love, okay?
Pause the song, pause the song. Stop the music, stop the music. Yachty, what's going on?
Huh? You didn't like? You didn't like?
No.
You didn't?
Yachty, this is for charity.
What?
Do you want me to kick out QC? I'll take him out. I'll do it for you if it makes you more comfortable.
You didn't like that?
That was a little much. Let's start it from the beginning. I need to see your heart in it. You gotta have your heart in it.
Yeah.
Come on, let's start it over. From the top.
Less dancing?
Huh?
Less dancing?
Say that again. Let's dance. You can dance. I want you to feel it. But if it would make you more comfortable, I can move these people.
That's literally making me the most comfortable.
Okay, so then let's do it.
More heart.
Put your heart in it. Try to make it sound amazing. You got this, Yachty. You're the best.
Try to make it sound amazing.
It needs to come from the heart.
Take on me needs to come from the heart.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's do it. I love you. You got this. From the top. You got this.
Another day to go and find you, shine away. I'll be coming for your love, okay? Take on me, take me on, take on me. I'll be gone. Gonna dance
Let's go.
Needless to say, odds and then I'll be stumbling away out. So learning that life is okay to say after me. It's no better to be said than sorry. Take on me. Take on me. Take me on. Take on me. I'll be gone. I'm high pitch.
It's the part where you dance. You like that?
I love it.
What we have next is verse 3.
Let's bring it back in. Yes. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, Lil Yachty. He's only here for one night.
Okay, verse 3.
Bring it in.
Things that you say. Is it a life or just more to play my worries away? You are the things I've got to remember. Shine away. I be coming for you anyway. Take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. Take me on. I'll be gone. Give it a jump.
Make some noise for Lil Yachty.
You just pressured me into doing that. Man, we are here at the Kerwin Frost Telethon. This is my segment. I want to make sure I tell all the little boys and girls out there watching this right now how important this is, you know, to make sure that you go to the site and donate for the cause. This is all for a specific cause. It's very important. I know we're having fun and having a good time right now, but it's much serious matter on stake. Trying to raise $5 million. That's the goal, right? $5 million.
$5 million for the Know Your Rights camp.
$5 million for Know Your Rights camp. It's extremely important. Amazing cause that Kerwin is doing here at the Kerwin Frost Telethon. I'm so appreciative to be a part of the first telethon. This is so awesome. Running off 0 hours of sleep, but I'm super excited to do this karaoke right here, live with you guys.
I love that. And Yachty, I got a better idea for this next one.
Okay.
Let's have you get up.
Okay.
Let's have you bring that energy. Let's wake you up. Let's go crazy. It's Hey Ya by Outkast, performed by Lil Yachty. Drop it.
That voice is so weird.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh, the lyrics is right there.
I got you. Fuck your phone. Read off the teleprompter. Let's go. Yachty. Come on.
1, 2, 3,
Let's go.
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so. This and I know for sure. Is this the right key?
Say what?
Why does she? Testing. Can we run it back? I'll run it back.
Huh?
Can we run it back?
No, let's go. No, okay, pause it. Stop the music.
I just want to make sure that was the right key. It didn't sound like it was the right key.
Okay, let's run it back. One more time.
Check.
Checks mix.
Testing.
Checks mix. Let's go. Oh, stop it. Stop the music. Stop.
That don't sound right.
Pause it. What's going on, Yachty?
We trying to make sure it's the right key. Like the
Oh, yeah.
key.
What's wrong with his keys, man?
Just trying to make sure it's the right key.
Ladies and gentlemen,
It's hot as fuck up here.
Lil Yachty performing Hey Ya by Andre 3000. Let's go.
Technically it's by Outkast, but
Run it.
this beat is like a really weird loop. I don't know when it starts. It's the same thing. Yeah, okay. My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walking out that door? Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking pin together like we don't know how. You think you got it, oh, you think you got it. You got it, just don't get it, but it's nothing at all. We get together, oh, we get together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. You know, nothing lasts forever. What makes it, what makes it, so why, no, you're still in denial when you know you're not happy. I'm on the beach. Hey, what the mama? Just being honest. I'm being modest. I'm being honest. I'm being modest.
Ladies and sugars.
Yeah!
I wanna dance.
I wanna see you on your baddest behavior.
Let's do it. Shake it, 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 shake it like a part of right beach. Hey y'all, shake it, 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 like baby dancers and Lucy Lou's and baby dolls. Get on the floor, get on the floor. You know what to do. Hey y'all, you know what to do. Of the song.
I'm just being honest. Just being honest. And that's what's wrong with a lot of people today. They are not honest. Let's have a conversation about honesty. Ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't cost anything to be honest. You know, one thing about honesty is it's important, you know? Even when no one's looking, be honest. And that was the message behind that song.
Drop it!
God, this is a terrible remake beat.
God.
It's a terrible remake. It's
what
like,
is this?
It's like awful.
You get it.
This is a really bad remake.
There we go. It's coming in.
You gotta go back up. It's too soon, Curtis. It's too soon. Told me this beat is really bad.
It's
like
ridiculous.
It's like nothing like the real song.
No. I think it's coming now. After this one,
okay.
It'll come in.
Okay.
Take it away, Yachty.
Okay. You told me I'm seeing.
Jesus Christ.
What are you doing, Curran?
I don't know. Wait, stop the song. Stop the song.
Pause it. Cut.
Stop it.
This is. What are you doing?
I think let's skip this one.
That was really bad.
Yeah, Jesus Christ. Do you want to just do your songs? Or is that not an option?
That was really bad. Like, that one was very low production. Is that what you... Are you trying to make me look a fool, Kerwin?
I'm sorry. I don't know where these instrumentals came from.
Are you trying to play me?
I'm not.
Are you fucking shitting me right now?
That's your engineer. He found those.
I don't know that man.
You shouldn't be.
God, that was...
Play the next one. Let's try the next one.
Let's skip to the next one.
Jesus Christ.
That was fucking
Fuck.
Very irresponsible.
I'm so sorry. Okay.
Ooh. Big shouts out to Mackie. This could be our year, making no man proud of you. Forget about the tears. On the level, see me eye to eye. Man, I'm like a man, even from yonder side.
On what?
On a level. On a level. Never had a choice. Never had a chance. Never had a voice.
On what?
On a level. Carrying a name. Fall until my final day. Now who's left to blame? On a level. On a level. On a level. On a level. That was fun.
Okay, and next, we're gonna take it back. How back?
I hate this song.
I love this song, Yachty. This song introduced me to you.
I wrote this song sitting in my college dorm in Alabama
Right?
on a sheet of paper, on a composition notebook.
And what was on your mind when you wrote it?
When my dad had took me and my little sister to Minnesota.
You were thinking about all those great memories.
It wasn't really great, it was so cold.
Right.
And then I went, and I never forget, I went to the studio and I had all my friends there.
Right.
And I did it, and they were all like laughing, like they thought it was so terrible, and so bad of a song.
Well, who's laughing now? Drop it! Now!
What the fuck?
Oh my God, I swear to God, you need a new engineer.
That was so fucking awkward and embarrassing.
Jesus fucking Christ, there's a YouTube ad. I mean, this is the engineer, he doesn't even have the instrumental. Mental. There we go, start it again.
That was a terrible timing.
Jesus fucking Christ. I laid it out for him. It was perfect timing. Get YouTube Premium, what's wrong with you? Play it.
He should have that beat. He's literally
Louder
not
on the beat.
This song doesn't need autotune. I fucking hate this song.
Let's go. Come on, Yachty. Give me some energy, baby. Let's go. Get up. Come on, please. Come on.
Yo, bro, I literally performed this song 1,000,000 times.
One more wouldn't hurt.
Kerwin Frost.
Here we go.
Kerwin Frost.
Yes.
Telethon today, live right now. Please donate for a good cause. We need 5 million. We need 5 million. We need 5 million. We need 5 million. Kerwin Frost Telethon right now live. Please donate. Please donate. We need 5 million. We need 5 million. We need 5 million. Hope we get 5 million. Kerwin Frost talks. Kerwin Frost Telethon. Kerwin Frost is dancing. Kerwin Frost is happy. We need 5 million. Shit. I need 5 million. Give me 5 million. Here's my cash app. $, Nautical Boy, in case you wanna donate to me too. Kerwin Frost Telethon, yeah. That's what you should donate to. Don't worry about my cash app. But if you're just curious, rewind this song. That's my cash app. Send me some money. But right now it's about Kerwin. It's about Kerwin. Kerwin Frost Telethon. Donate for a good cause. We need 5. This is peer pressure. This isn't even a real beat.
That's not even the beat of the song, Yachty. Jesus Christ.
Now what?
Now I go home and cry.
Me too.
I love you so much, Yachty.
I love you. I haven't eaten yet.
Jesus Christ.